governments around the world want to try and discredit these new discoveries of pyramids.
World governments might not want to be forthcoming with this information, just like we've seen with the Chinese government. Places like Alaska and others might also hold hidden wealths of archaeological finds that we still have yet to uncover.
Are there ancient pyramids that are deliberately being kept secret from the public? If so, might their existence expose guarded truths about Earth's extraterrestrial past, as ancient astronaut theorists propose? Perhaps further clues can be found.
Welcome to Egypt, Georgia.
It has been 18 years since my last visit, and in those 18 years, I have researched so much. It is such an exciting time, and I can't wait to see everything with new eyes.
In April 2018, ancient astronaut theorist and explorer Georgios Tsoukalos traveled to Cairo in the company of Egyptologist and Cairo native Rami Rahmani. Joining them is Dr. Giulio Magli, a professor of archaeoastronomy from the Polytechnic University in Milan, Italy. Giorgio is eager to see firsthand whether or not the recent scientific discoveries concerning the Great Pyramid could provide further evidence of the theory that extraterrestrials visited Egypt thousands of years ago.
I am personally very excited to take you inside the pyramid because the Great Pyramid of Giza is not only one of the 7 ancient wonders of the world, it's the most ancient one of them all, and the only one standing, Giorgio. Yeah. And that's what we're going to see today.
You know, I find it very exciting to be able to share and exchange information, because what's happened recently, in my opinion, has turned Egyptology upside down.
I
Absolutely.
completely agree.
So I think that for both of us it will be great as well, because every time you go there it's like first time.
Absolutely.
Yes.
In November 2017, media outlets around the world announced the discovery of what could be an enormous chamber within the Great Pyramid of Giza. If it can be verified, it would be the first major find inside the pyramid.